What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am so stoked to unbox the brand new 100 Thieves High Ground capsule. Now, in case this is you guys' first time to this channel, I cover a lot of things in the tech space. So whether it be camera reviews or different Apple products coming out. And another thing that's actually a personal passion of mine is things in the gaming space, especially gaming tech. You guys may have picked that up in a few of my past videos, in like an office tour and things like that. So moving forward, if there's different tech that is coming out that is related to gaming and is something that I'm passionate about, you guys can look forward to it on this channel. If there's anything specific you guys want to see, be sure to drop it down in the comments below, and I am definitely looking for more things to review or unbox and make videos on for you guys. Now, I have a lot of thoughts about 100 Thieves and this collection, but let's go ahead and start unboxing this thing, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. There should be 3 products in here. All right, so we got our 3 items in here. Let's start out with this. You know what, we can just take them all out here. So let's start out with the first product here, all right? It is a sick hoodie that kind of represents this official on-bringing of High Ground to the company 100 Thieves. They basically bought them out, but they're gonna allow High Ground to kind of work in their own capacity. But obviously, when you have, a parent company like 100 Thieves, you're gonna be able to do a lot more things, a lot of cool collaborations. And 100 Thieves always has the sickest merch and apparel out there. They have seriously like some of the top-notch marketing, and their hoodies are always so damn sick. Let's just pull this thing out of the bag here. And I mean, it's details. Everything is in the details for me. And usually any brands that I'm super loyal to or I'm passionate about, they have awesome details, because that's where it counts in my opinion. Even their apparel comes in these crazy bags that are like, branded all over it. The top here, everywhere. To the T. They really pull out all the stops on their stuff. So let's see what this hoodie looks like here. And their hoodies are like super thick and actually really high quality. Their stuff is definitely premium level, premium price, but also premium quality. But their hoodies are sick. Yeah, so on the front here, I'll put it on here in a second for you guys. But you got the 100 Thieves over there, the High Ground over there, and then the back is just sick. Like, how dope is that? It's exactly what you would expect. It's kind of a cross between 100 Thieves branding and then the new High Ground branding. You know what, let me throw this hoodie on for the rest of this video, even though it gets a little hot here in my office, but let's see if we can withstand this so, I can look a little swaggy for you guys. All right, let me tilt the camera up here. I'll show you guys a very unorthodox here, what it looks like on. This is an XL. I am 6'5", 230 pounds, and yeah. This hoodie is sick. All right, let's open up the next piece, which is actually the keyboard, which is probably the most hyped up piece of this collection, obviously. All right, so we got some cool stuff inside here. Really cool branding on the box, obviously. High Ground is actually a pretty newer company. I didn't know much about them before, but they've been around for about a year, and they've already made some really cool collaborations with like Beats by Dre's and a few other brands out there, which is kind of crazy. If you think about just like a couple guys that got together and already in their first year have collaborations with Beats by Dre and then also get acquired by a company like 100 Thieves, you gotta be doing something right. You got some stickers, wires, cool, so you get all that. What else we got in here? 1 keyboard, 1 cable Type-C, and then you got this couple of tools here if you wanna change out your keys and switches, things like that. So I like this little tissue paper here. Details again, just a little wavy pattern on there, I guess. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh man, yo, this is sick. All right, so this keyboard looks amazing. So I'm gonna shoot some B-roll to put over top of this for you guys to get a better look at it. But this is honestly like my type of keyboard. So for me being, a hobbyist gamer that is very into tech, this keyboard is honestly right up my alley. The branding on it looks amazing. I love this to 65% size. It's just so cool how they have the 100 Thieves branding kind of meshing into the High Ground on the side. I personally enjoy that they don't have the numbers and the characters on the top. They have it on the front side, so it just helps keep this keyboard super clean. And personally for myself, I think the keys sound really good as well. And it's cool because it's kind of like a cross between like Hypebeast and the gaming world, which is honestly why I really enjoy 100 Thieves so much. In case you didn't know, they're headed up by a guy named Nadeshot. He's been kind of in this industry for a long time, and he's someone that I actually really look up to. The way he's kind of built an organization around the gaming space, but kind of built onto it more than that. They make some of the best apparel out there, and they seriously have some of the best marketing of any company in the world, in my opinion. And then the fact that they kind of took a chance on these two guys that started this company called High Ground is just a really cool story in my opinion. I'll actually have a link down to a video that they kind of all filmed together where they kind of went into the story a little bit more. But to me, it's super inspiring. It's super cool. This keyboard and collection is super hype, and it's honestly just right up my alley. And I also should note, I'm not like a crazy keyboard or gaming enthusiast. I have been gaming for, most of my life, to be honest, but I'm not a professional gamer. I don't stream for a living, anything like that. I just personally enjoy using gear and tech from brands that I personally believe in and that I'm passionate about. I actually have a really good friend, Bad Seed Tech, that has an entire YouTube channel basically dedicated to tech and keyboards, and he does an amazing job kind of doing a deeper dive into all the technology and all the bits and pieces into these actual products. So is this maybe the best keyboard out there in the world? Honestly, I can't answer that. But for someone who is, a hobbyist gamer, I do take my tech and stuff like that seriously. And, I'm in the sneaker world where, we live in the Hypebeast culture of cool capsule drops where things are limited edition. You have to be ready if you want to get your hands on these super limited products. So that's honestly perfect for me, and that's why I enjoy 100 Thieves so much. Now let's open up the last piece of this little collection. So this is cool. This is something that I believe they call it their jelly bag, which this is kind of like a signature from the company High Ground. But basically what this bag is for, I don't know exactly how this came about, to be honest. I believe it's like, so you can take your custom keyboard to like gaming events and things like that. It's honestly super nerdy, but it's a cool little bag, so why not? But yeah, here we go. So we got this little jelly bag. You can throw your sick keyboard down in it, and that's basically it. You can put the strap on it if you want. But this is the High Ground 100 Thieves jelly bag, and honestly, it's super cool. Super unique product. It's a bag. I'm not gonna use it to carry around my keyboard, but I'm gonna use this bag for other things, and this is just like a little extra touch that makes this stand out from other things, which again, I can't say it enough, all in the details. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited that I was able to get my hands on every piece of this first collection between 100 Thieves and High Ground. And honestly, 100 Thieves is killing it in every facet right now. High Ground seems like a really cool company, so that collaboration or that acquisition seems like just a perfect fit. So guys, let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed this type of a video. Do you want to see more tech outside of, just the camera and Apple world? Do you want me to kind of dive into some of this gaming tech that honestly are things that I'm doing or I'm purchasing anyways? So I could definitely bring more of this type of content to the channel. So definitely let me know down in the comments below. So guys, that's gonna be it for me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, will you please drop this video a thumbs up? If you're new around here, consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. You don't wanna miss any future uploads, and I will catch you guys in the next video very, very soon. Peace, guys.